Okay, here's my clock I'm selling on eBay. It's going to be 3 o'clock in 2 minutes. You'll be able to hear it gong. Let's show you the measurements. See, from the top all the way down to the bottom here, that comes to about, if you go to the bottom of these things, it's about 23 inches. And the width is from here to here, it looks like about 19 inches. And it's a very nice clock. It's a wind-up clock. You see the pendulum goes back and forth. Oops. And you could open up the cabinets on the side. You could put little pictures in here. Both sides open up. See, like this. There's a little ball, like a little ball spring there that clicks in. It's it's solid. Like it seems to be like an oak finish. It opens up over here too. Whoops. I have it hanging on the wall. And you see there's a little, the gonger thing is there. So I'm going to close it up. And you could hear it gong. Just about a minute now. It's going to gong. Let me just straighten it up because I moved it a little bit. Good. Okay, so this is very nice and good condition. It keeps great time. And it's going to gong in about 30 seconds. So enjoy the clock. And my name is Len. And you can always ask questions on eBay. Just look up the seller, Len. That's L-E-N. And thanks for looking. And good luck to the high bidder. It's a really nice clock. 3 o'clock.